Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie, and today I'm going to show you how to remove background from images using Adobe Express. So the first thing you have to do is either head to adobe.com/express or type in Adobe Express into your search browser. Now stay tuned till the end because I'll show you how to download the image and open it in the Adobe Express editor. So the first thing you have to do is go ahead and sign into your account. Now you could remove the background by opening up one of these files here and then dragging in the image, but the easiest and fastest way to remove the background is to go down to the suggested quick actions and then click on remove background. Then it'll allow you to drag and drop your image directly from your computer or browse different images by clicking on this icon here. And then it removes the background completely for you automatically, and then you can either download the image or open it in editor. So I'm going to download the image. In case you still want to open it using the editor, if you want to make sure that it fits in one of these dimensions, or if you want to add different elements to it, you can click on one of these templates. For instance, I'm going to click on Instagram story, create from scratch. And then you can upload it from your device. And then you can upload the JPEG version, although we have also downloaded the PNG version as well, but I just want to show you how to do it in editor as well. You just click on the image and then click on remove background. So I've showed you two ways to remove the background, one with the editor and one without. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. It really helps out. Like this video, and thank you for watching.